concepts of space, time, and movement, as well as the instant, were first established by the ancient Greek philosophers, as, for example, Aristotle, the great philosopher and scientist, who explained the space as the place where everything happens, and time as a measure of the change. He also developed the concept of movement as the change in position as time passes, and a very important concept for this visual explanation of relativity, which is the instant. For Aristotle, the instant was that what lies between the past and the future. To visualize these concepts, we will use again our hands, and remember, for us this was space and this was time, but this is also a vertical line corresponding to, for example, a clock that is at rest. As time passes, the clock is not moving its position. It remains always at the tip of my fingers. Yes? But if this line is inclined, then the clock, as time passes, is moving from my hand to my elbow. So this means vertical lines mean at rest, an object at rest, and the inclination means speed or velocity, movement. If the inclination is greater, then the speed is also greater. Remember that we had special units where the speed of light was diagonal, but for classical physics, there's no such a limit for velocity. We can represent velocities greater than light without problems. The only limit is this one, when the movement touches the instant. Remember that for Aristotle, the instant is that what lies between the past. This is the past, which has already happened, and this is the future, which has not yet come. And so this line, this horizontal line, represents the instant at every moment. For example, if the clock here is at the point 0, it will be also point 0 in every other part of the instant. So the movement, if you go at greater speeds, has a limit, which is this one, where the movement contacts the instant. At this point, what happens is that the object would be in different places at the same time, and this cannot happen for a natural object. We will again make a sentence to keep with these ideas in our mind as follows. At rest in space-time, vertical lines, but when in movement, they get inclined. If we make a song, at rest in space-time, vertical lines, but when in movement, they get inclined.